In this video, I will show you how to apply all the modifiers on an object at once. And this will work if you want to apply all the modifiers on just one object, but you can also do this with multiple objects all at the same time and apply all the modifiers. So normally how you would apply a modifier is you would select the object and then you would click on the arrow drop down to apply the modifier, and then you would click on apply. What you could also do is select the modifier, and with your mouse hovered over the modifier, you could press Ctrl A and then press Ctrl A a bunch of times. That is the shortcut key to apply modifiers, and then it's going to apply all those modifiers, so it's actual geometry now. But there's a very fast way to apply all of the modifiers on all the objects that are selected at the same time. So what you're going to do is press the A key to select all the objects, or just hold down the Shift key and then select all the objects that you want to apply the modifiers. Then you're just going to click right up here on object, and you're going to go right down here to convert, and then we want to convert it to a mesh. And if I press the tab key to go into edit mode, you can see all of the modifiers have been applied, and so all of this is actual geometry now. Another way you could do this is by selecting all the objects that you want to apply the modifiers, and then you can press Ctrl A, and then you can go right down here and click on Visual Geometry to Mesh. And that is going to do the same thing, so you can see it applies all the modifiers, and so this is all geometry now. Now there's also a really cool built-in Blender add-on that I want to show you, which will do this as well. So I'm just going to click right up here on Edit, and then I'm going to open up the Preferences. And then right over here on the Add-ons tab, you can go to the Search, and you can start to search for Modifier, and you can check mark this Modifiers Tools add-on, and it's built into Blender, so you don't need to download or install anything. You can just check mark that, and then you can also click on the Save Preferences button if you want to save the preferences, so the add-on is always turned on. So now if you go right over here to the modifier properties, you can see we have some new options. So you could click on this button right here if you wanted to delete all the modifiers, and you can see it's going to get rid of all the modifiers. I'm just going to press Ctrl Z though to undo that. You could also click on the toggle stack button, and this button is going to maximize and minimize all the modifiers, so that's really useful. You could also click on the viewport viz, and what this is going to do is it's going to hide the preview of the modifiers. So because all these objects are selected, if I click on this, it's going to toggle between showing and hiding the modifiers. That's really useful as well, but we also have apply all. So you can click on that, and then if you tab into edit mode, again, you can see it's applied all the modifiers, and so they're actual geometry now. So that's it for this video. I hope this tutorial was helpful, and thank you for watching.